What's the meaning of backplane? Backplane. Backplane.
Backplane. Backplane. A backplane is a circuit board that serves as a backbone or central hub for connecting multiple other printed circuit boards, PCBs, together. It provides a way to interconnect multiple PCBs, allowing them to communicate and work together as a single system. Backplanes are commonly used in computer systems, telecommunications equipment, and other electronic devices where high-speed and reliable interconnectivity is crucial. They typically consist of one or more connectors that connect to the PCBs, and may also include power and ground planes to distribute power and maintain signal integrity. Overall, backplanes enable efficient and organized communication between multiple PCBs within a system.